Free It Friday. Hey, Big Elvis with a Free It Friday. This time we've got a couple of racing champions. They're both the 69 Ford Boss 302 in two separate colors. We've got a Johnny Lightning with the grabber blue with the white interior. We have got a M2, the new color for the Torino. We found a new Studebaker with the Lucky Roost on there. And what else have we got? How about we may just throw a surprise one up there? There's a 5 for the Free Friday. Let's just get started with that Studebaker. Alright, let's get this cracked open. We zoomed in just a little bit. Now these are cool card art and all on that Studebaker. But this is a driver series. So you've got done the black chrome instead of the chrome on this, on what they usually have. But they do got that farm series, Lucky Roost Farm. You even got your phone number you can call. I don't know what you call that. Somebody call that number. Tell me what you get. We're gonna get this off the base real quick. Yeah, them old Studebaker trucks are just too cool. Let's get a little light on the subject there. So this is the driver series, and as I've said in the past with the driver, come on camera, what are you freaking out for? There. The driver series, there's no hood open, no doors open. Plastic base. Still screwable, so you can customize her if you want to. 1950. Pretty sweet. Little truck. Jump over to the Torino. The nice card art. I do like the color on this. Pretty sweet. Torino GT. That blue metallic. Marvelous, marvelous. Get a chance. While you're here, click that subscribe button. Click that bell so you know when our next video is coming out. And of course, give us a like. That helps us get out to some more viewers. There she is, 69 Torino GT. It is a favorite. Big old wide slicks, or not slicks, tires on the back. Just a little narrower up front. Pretty sweet car. Actually not bad for M2. Don't see a whole lot of issue with that one. You know yourselves, sometimes M2s have their issues. You know, that is pretty sharp there. Let's throw it over to the Johnny Lightning. And this is a grabber blue Johnny Lightning. 1 of 3,000. So somebody's collection just got a little more valuable, possibly. I do like that the Johnny Lightning are putting them in the car blisters inside a blister because helps keep that card rub from happening. And you know yourself, you've had some card rub in your life on a car that you really liked. Wasn't what you could do with it. Now this one does have a hood opening feature. It is metal on metal. Got them BF Good rich radial TAs wrapped around each wheel. Pretty sharp. There is your information on the bottom. This was released back in 2020. You can see there. And this casting, well, it's been a Playing Mantis casting since 2002. Nice hood opening feature. Got a little detail work done in there, and you can see some of the casting. That ram air hood. This one does have the white and black interior. I've got one very similar. It's got the all black interior. And we'll put her up there and let her go around. Let's see here. How about we jump around over here and find us. You know what I've been curious to open is this right here. We'll jump over to an Auto World casting, and that is the Ford Probe GT 95 and the 85 SVO. Now this is from the Pony Power 2-packs. These are deluxes. So if you're new into Auto World, because I've seen a few guys that started getting into Auto World, they were asking the questions why some have the plastic wheels and some don't. Well, there's a reason for that. Early on, when Auto World came out, they called them their deluxes, and the deluxe castings did not have, they had plastic wheels and plastic bases. So this is from that original. Now they have been re-released in new colors, as you can see here with this SVO. Done nicely. For, I think they're Target exclusives. 2 pink for you on the license plate there. That is pretty cool. They do roll well. They are, I said, they are plastic wheels. There you have it. Plastic wheels, plastic bases. Now I have not yet seen the Ford Probe. And there she is, done up in the silver. And many of you may or may not know Seafoam is what's on there. Texas license plates. They were done. They were almost a replacement for the Mustang. This is what was just about to happen. And people all over wrote Ford angry letters. And Ford decided not to replace the Mustang. They rebodied it a little and kept the Mustang around. And then this ended up dying because not a whole lot of people bought them. But there you have it. What I know of the Ford Probe. Nice little casting though. Pretty cool. Go over to those Racing Champions. Now, some of you may or may not know Racing Champions is owned by the same company that owns Auto World, Round 2. And there it is. So you see the kangaroo there with the Round 2 on it. They own Racing Champions, they own Auto World, and they own Johnny Lightning. And again, same way. Get the blister out. And it's got a blister inside a blister. Keep card rubbed down. Nothing from happening. Now they're not bad. Let's see if I can tell what casting they use. If they use their own casting. Don't see casting numbers on there. So it's definitely not an Auto World or a Johnny Lightning casting. Maybe, no. They do have some detailing on the bottom. I'm going to say these are going to be slightly larger So that looks a little off, but it's all there. Pretty nice. Looks like it may have a hood open, but it does not. It sure looks like it could, but I don't think it does. Got your windshield wiper detail there. Got the louvers. That's spoiler and louvers, of course, are separate pieces, so they do have multiple pieces. Real rubber tires, plastic base, Goodyears on them. So that's pretty nice. So you have the one in the yellow, and of course we've got this one in this alternate color, the white. Boss 302. And I don't see a lot of the same other than the color here. But I think that's pretty neat that you get, you know, Auto World, Johnny Lightning, the CEO, the Boss 302. Love that stripe. Now this one, the hood. Okay, I was wrong. These do have hood open. There is that Boss 302. Sometimes you just got to be easy when you open a hood because, you know, you could have issues with it reclosing. Now this, of course, is the what year did I say that was? Don't remember. 71. As you can see, those are a little bigger castings. All right. There is our Fried Friday. And you've got a couple of M2s, a couple of racing champions, and a couple of Auto Worlds, all for your Fried Friday enjoyment. What's your favorite casting? What's your favorite company? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all take care of each other out there.